Well, hello again, John here. You can see I got the Kubota out. We lost power last night. Had a pretty good storm, and boy, it's a hot muggy one. The power's back on now, so I got the diesel turned off. But I just got the one solar panel charging the Blue Eddy today. They're calling for more storms maybe, and as soon as it cools off a little bit, I gotta mow the grass. So I figured, no sense stringing the cables out across the grass. I hope to get that conduit dug in, but I'm not gonna do it today. It's I think 107 heat index, really muggy today too. But yeah, I have to run the Kubota because I've only got the one Blue Eddy. You need two of those to do the split phase, and then I can plug in and run my well. That's down the road. Keep working towards the goal, right? So I had to have the generator going. So quick note here. I couldn't figure out how to disconnect this positive end on this Ames isolator. If you notice, there's little side pieces here. My normal MC4 works on the negative fine, but you can see it won't fit in there. So after doing some research, there's another one that they make. It's called H4. I don't know if you can see that. Let me try to. There we go. Amphenol, and I believe it's H4 is what it stands for. I found this on Amazon. But you need that to open this one. It's the first time I've had that situation, so I don't know where the H4 Amphenol fits in. Evidently they must have some equipment that has that type of connector, but anyhow, there's no way you can get that out of there without this little guy. So just an FYI. So alrighty, you all stay cool. So all right, have a good one. God bless.